What do you think teachers do when we're not teaching? You type all day. You're always typing on your computer every single time I see you. You're probably emailing each other, right? You're emailing each other. Are you talking about us in those emails? You're talking about us, aren't you? Are you judging us, aren't you? You're opening Sycamore and you're judging. Okay, I'm good. I am cool. I am composed. Oh, what else? Y'all probably go to Starbucks a lot. I know that a lot of you guys actually do go to Starbucks in your free time. I know that you order a Frappuccino with 2 pumps of patience and then you hate on-paper straws because they melt in your drink and they change the flavor. Yeah, y'all Starbucks a lot. Like, use Starbucks twice every day. So 9 a.m., use Starbucks. 12 p.m., use Starbucks. After school, use Starbucks. What is up with Starbucks?
Teachers look for printers all day trying to print, and then the printer doesn't work, and then we students go like when they come in back, and they still buy the printer and you go like, printer, please print. You also go on a lot of trips. So lucky, dear.
Bye, I'm going to Mars.
Bye, have fun. Teachers probably take a lot of pictures too, and post it on their secret social media accounts.
Miss Song, Miss Song comes to visit us in the mornings, and Miss Song hugs us a lot, and then she loves us and she hugs us, and then she tells us that she loves us. She says, "I love you," and then we have to say it back. So she actually demands it back. So she makes us say, "I love you too, Miss Song. Miss Song, I love you."
I love Miss Huang, but sometimes, yes, she is creepy. Did you know she watches us through the CCTVs, all day? Why?
What else?
What's going on?
Oh, we were just talking about what teachers would possibly do in their free time. Is there anything you want to
Did you know
add?
Miss Park loves ramen?
She does?
Yeah.
I didn't know.
She always goes, "Oh, he's so 착해 and he's so holy, and I was born 20 years too early." Okay, bye.
Teachers, I love you.